Happy New Year, Happy New Year 2020. Let's make this the greatest year, the greatest decade of our lives. I believe it, I'm claiming it. I hope you claiming it as well. I'm starting mine off with the morning walk, starting it off with the focus on health. Healthy is wealthy. But as I'm reflecting and thinking about what are the plans for this upcoming year, if you haven't done it already, I wanna help you make this year the best year of your life, the greatest year of your life. And I think the first thing we have to do, if you off work today, take a moment to reflect. If you haven't done it yet, take a moment to reflect and ask yourself, what were the wins for last year? What were the wins for last year? Write it down. Write it down, because sometimes it's so easy for us to get caught up in a glass half empty mindset versus a glass half full, and not realizing that we actually had some victories, that we actually overcame some challenges, that we actually did achieve some of the things that we set out to do for last year. So that's step one. First, like I said, write down the achievements, write down the things, that the wins for last year, okay?